Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts and Nedbank users. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial. How to get a card number on the Nedbank app, 2025. Whether you're setting up a new payment, verifying your account, or just need quick access to your card details, this guide will have you sorted in no time. It's 2025, and apps are getting smarter, so let's make sure you're up to speed on the latest features for a seamless experience. First things first, make sure you have the Nedbank app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your App Store, search for Nedbank app, and download the latest 2025 version. It's free and packed with updates for better security. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a prompt. Go ahead and verify that for extra safety. Now, let's get to the main steps. After logging in, tap on the dashboard or home screen. Look for the cards icon, usually represented by a credit card symbol in the menu. It might be at the bottom or in a sidebar, depending on your app settings. Once you're in the cards section, you'll see a list of your linked cards. Select the one you need by tapping on it. Next, on the card details page, there should be an option to view card number or reveal details. This is a new feature in the 2025 update for added privacy, so you might need to enter your app PIN or use biometric verification like fingerprint or Face ID. Once verified, your card number will appear on screen. Easy as that. Take a screenshot if you need it for reference, but remember to handle sensitive info securely. If you run into any issues, like the number not showing up, double-check that your app is updated and your account is in good standing. Nedbank's support team is top-notch, so don't hesitate to reach out via the in-app chat. And there you have it. You're now a pro at accessing your card number. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips and tech tricks. See you in the next video.